Hey everyone, if you're here, you must be tired of struggling to remove wall anchors. I feel your pain, but struggle no more because I have a super simple trick that will make this job a breeze. Let's start by understanding how these pesky anchors work. When you first insert an anchor into drywall, it's a nice snug fit, but as you start to screw it in, it expands and creates friction, making it tough to remove. That's where my trick comes in. A popular solution to this is to put the screw back into the anchor just a quarter of the way, just so it starts to grab on, then grabbing it with your fingers or pliers, give it a gentle tug. That technique might work, but if you drive the screw in too far, it'll start to expand in the wall and it'll be a headache to remove. It may even chip the drywall, leading to a bigger repair. So what's my preference? One simple trick that requires only one simple tool: a pair of needle nose pliers. Use the needle nose pliers to carefully grab the edge of the wall anchor and gently wiggle it out. Pull it straight out, and that's it. No expanding wall anchor, no cracked drywall, and no extra repair work. If you're left with a bunch of unsightly holes in your wall, don't worry. Just fill them in with some drywall spackle, sand it down, paint it, and voila, your wall looks as good as new. Now you can remove drywall anchors like a pro. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and leave me a comment below to let me know what DIY tips you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.